Hello students, hello families from first grade. Welcome! Today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday and the activities are ready for you to start doing them. But first, I'm going to show you some images and some words. But these words have missing sounds, missing letters. Let's find the letters and the sounds that are missing. So, let's see. Word number 1. Which sound is missing? Let's see. Word number 2. What is it? Let's see picture and word number 4. And let's see the last picture and word, of course, picture and word. Which letter is missing? Which sound is missing? You are going to tell me in the videos, so complete the words, complete the activities, and please send me your videos. Bye bye.